And tonight at 11, another big development in the legal battle against Ohio Senate Bill 23, restricting abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected.
A Hamilton County judge indefinitely blocked Ohio's abortion law after a full day of hearings today. Blocked until the state constitutional challenge against the law makes its way through the courts.
Now, as News 5 investigator Joe Paganakis reports, women who support today's ruling will take to the streets this weekend, while some against abortion rights say it's not a women's rights issue.
The thought that they're going to end up in the same situation that I was in when I was a kid.
Megan Morris Raymond is a Fairview Park mother of 3 who had to make tough choices when she became pregnant at the age of 16, and she hopes her 2 daughters will be able to decide if they want an abortion here in Ohio. Megan, who will take part in Women's March Cleveland on Saturday, says she's pleased a Hamilton County judge permanently blocked Senate Bill 23, Ohio's abortion ban, restoring abortions through 22 weeks gestation until the legal challenge filed by the ACLU against Ohio's abortion ban after 6 weeks gestation makes its way through the courts.
I'm so glad. I mean, at 6 weeks, most women don't even know they're pregnant, and to know now that, at least for a while, these women will still have a choice.
Women's March Cleveland will host its 17th march since 2017, with women's reproductive rights being the key issue and others.
It's about women's rights, period. It's about abortion. It's about equal pay. It's about racism, sexism, jobs, education.
Women's March leaders say they're fighting for permanent change.
Forming legislation that works for the women here in Cleveland and that could possibly be a backdrop for all cities.
Abortion has become a political issue, and it's really not.
But leaders with Right to Life of Northeast Ohio believe Senate Bill 23 will prevail and be upheld in the courts in the coming months.
Abortion isn't the problem. It's a lot of the existing morals and values in our society where you think, well, you can just go have sex, and if you have a kid, get rid of it.
That the fight to protect the rights of unborn children does not run counter to the overall rights of women.
I'm all for women's rights. I'm a woman. I want equal opportunity in this world, just like everybody else. But abortion isn't a right. I mean, you're playing God over ending the life of a child.
And the ACLU hopes its lawsuit makes it all the way to the Ohio Supreme Court, while Right to Life of Northeast Ohio is in support of a brief filed by the Attorney General to stop the ACLU lawsuit. Reporting in Cleveland, I'm News 5 investigator Joe Paganakis.
And Women's March Cleveland starts at 1:30 tomorrow. It begins at Market Square Park downtown, which is across from the West Side Market.